Rosemary, a cellular miracle in your kitchen. Do you wake up with a heavy brain fog or feel unusually tired after meals? Maybe your hands and feet often feel cold, or you struggle with persistent sugar cravings. Most people assume these are simply signs of aging or a busy lifestyle. But what if one of the most powerful natural remedies has been sitting in your kitchen all along? As a phytotherapy specialist, I've learned that many of the answers we search for in medicine cabinets can often be found in nature when used correctly. Last year, a 52-year-old patient named Sarah came to me with memory issues, post-meal sugar cravings, and ongoing joint pain. I recommended adding one simple ingredient to her daily routine: rosemary. Within just 30 days, she noticed remarkable changes. Here's what happens inside your body. Important: stay until the end because the brewing method determines whether rosemary keeps or loses many of its beneficial compounds. Clearing brain fog. Carnosic acid. The first improvement Sarah noticed was sharper thinking in the morning. Rosemary contains carnosic acid, a unique compound capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier, a protective filter that blocks most substances from entering the brain. Once inside, it helps protect neurons from oxidative stress, while supporting acetylcholine, one of the brain's key neurotransmitters responsible for learning, memory, and concentration. As a result, regular rosemary consumption may promote better focus, improved mental clarity, and reduced cognitive fatigue. Fighting silent inflammation. Sarah also reported that her chronic joint discomfort gradually eased. One major contributor to aging is chronic low-grade inflammation, often called silent inflammation. Over time, it affects blood vessels, joints, and many other tissues. Rosemary's rosmarinic acid helps regulate inflammatory pathways while protecting cells from oxidative damage. By reducing cellular stress, it supports healthier aging and overall tissue function. Supporting digestion and liver function. Do you often feel bloated after eating or experience heaviness beneath your right rib cage? The bitter compounds and essential oils in rosemary stimulate receptors in the mouth, signaling the liver to increase bile production. Bile plays an essential role in digesting fats and removing waste products from the body. Healthy bile flow may help reduce bloating after rich meals while supporting normal liver function. Rosemary isn't just a flavorful herb, it can also become a valuable digestive ally. Better circulation and blood sugar support. Rosemary may also encourage healthy circulation by helping small blood vessels relax, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach the hands and feet more efficiently. Another fascinating benefit involves blood sugar regulation. Compounds such as carnosol may slow the enzymes responsible for breaking carbohydrates into glucose. This leads to a steadier release of sugar into the bloodstream, helping reduce sudden spikes and crashes that often trigger cravings. More stable blood sugar levels can also support healthy energy levels throughout the day. The golden brewing protocol. To enjoy rosemary's full potential, preparation matters. Add 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary to a mug, pour boiling water over it, and immediately cover the cup with a lid. This helps preserve the volatile essential oils that would otherwise evaporate. Allow it to steep for 8 to 10 minutes before straining. For many people, drinking rosemary tea about 30 minutes after lunch supports both digestion and afternoon mental focus. Important precautions. If you are pregnant, have high blood pressure, gallbladder or bile duct disorders, or take prescription medications, consult your healthcare provider before consuming rosemary regularly. Nature offers remarkable tools, but they work best when used wisely and consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit.